Hiya YouTube, this is Dave, Charlie Tango 3149. We're just sat up in Grenoside in Rally Car. Just having a bit of a chill out while I'm enjoying my last week of my furlough before I go back to work. Yeah, we're just sat up here. We're listening to a chatter on 19. And I tell you something, you can hear far and wide from up here, far and wide. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at line of sight. You can't beat it, can you? I've been sat up here about an hour just chilling. I even had my dinner up here while I listened to the radio. It's absolutely marvellous. We've just installed one of my older radios in car, that Midland 78 Plus. That's going to stay in permanent. I normally have a Magnum 827, but I have to take it out every night and it's a pain in the arse, you know what I mean? If that goes missing, then out in car I won't be too bothered, but we've had some decent contacts on it. Yeah, we're just chilling in this beast, totally stripped out. It's a 1.2 16 valve and it's got a fast road cam in it. Standard it's about 75, but I'd guess at this moment in time it's at least 84, 85. But this, I don't know if you know anything about cars, but this camshaft, it's had its all powers moved slightly down from 5 1/8 to 3 1/8 thousand RPM, and it's very quick on its feet. But with a car like this, you've got to have a CB radio, haven't you? You've got to have one. But yeah, the radio works well, very well. 19, Roger.
Anyway, the building fucking...
Eight people at once on there. 19, Roger.
Roger. Still on, don't build.
Roger, Brett.
Cheers, buddy.
What you getting me like, pal?
Signal 9, mate, where are you?
Grenoside, pal, Grenoside. Static mobile.
Yeah, blowing smoke into Wakefield side of Barnsley, mate. Clink.
Wakefield side of Barnsley. Cheers, mate, you take it easy.
No problem, you know, pal.
Yeah, Wakefield side of Barnsley on just standard 4 watts. Yeah. We use a Solarcon dialer match, handling power 40 watts, so it won't be right ideal. It won't be ideal for a linear amplifier. It's amazing this road, they'll come bombing down about 70, but what they don't know is this thing will take corners on here about 80, 90. Absolute monster it is, bloody monster. If you see that behind you and you put foot down, you'll be wondering why that's still stuck to the back of your bumper. It absolutely flies, there's no weight to it. Yeah, but this is where I do my mobile operations. This one ain't got a bloody mattress on it either, that one's slightly up there. Yeah. Well, we'll catch you again and all that, and if there's any other updates like modifying my mobile setup, I'll video it for you. Right, this is Charlie Tango 3149, 73s for now.